If you're planning to buy a new oven but feel confused between a gas oven and an electric oven, you're not alone. At first glance, both look similar, both cook food, and both promise great results. But when it comes to performance, cost, cooking style, and long-term use, the differences are actually huge. In this video, I'll break down gas versus electric ovens in a simple and honest way, so by the end, you'll know exactly which one is right for your kitchen. First, let's talk about gas ovens. A gas oven uses natural gas, or LPG, to produce heat. One of the biggest advantages of a gas oven is fast heating. It reaches the desired temperature quickly and cools down just as fast, giving you more control while cooking. This makes gas ovens ideal for roasting, grilling, and everyday cooking, where flexibility matters. Another benefit of gas ovens is moisture retention. Because gas heat is more humid, food often stays juicier, especially meats and traditional dishes. Many experienced cooks prefer gas ovens for this reason. Gas ovens are also cheaper to run in areas where gas is affordable, which can save money in the long run. However, gas ovens do have some downsides. Temperature control is not always perfectly even, so baking cakes or bread can be tricky for beginners. Installation also requires a proper gas line and ventilation, and maintenance can take more effort due to burners and grease buildup. Now let's move on to electric ovens. Electric ovens run on electricity using heating elements. One major advantage of electric ovens is even heat distribution. This makes them perfect for baking, where consistent temperature is very important. Cakes, cookies, and pastries usually turn out better in electric ovens. Electric ovens are also easier to install. You don't need a gas connection, just a suitable power outlet. In terms of safety, electric ovens are often considered safer because there's no open flame or risk of gas leaks. Cleaning is another plus, as electric ovens usually have smooth interiors and often come with self-cleaning features. On the downside, electric ovens generally take longer to heat up compared to gas ovens. They can also be more expensive to run if electricity costs are high in your area. Some cooks also feel that electric ovens don't provide the same natural cooking feel as gas. So which one should you choose? If you want fast heating, better moisture for food, and lower running costs, a gas oven is a strong option. But if you focus more on baking, want precise temperature control, and prefer easy installation and cleaning, an electric oven may be the better choice. In the end, the right oven depends on your cooking habits, budget, and kitchen setup. If this comparison helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest comparisons, and check the description for more useful guides. Thanks for watching.